Let's learn how to see a list of all email subscriptions in Gmail. Gmail has finally built a way to view your subscriptions, and it's called Manage Subscriptions. We'll show you where to find it on desktop and in the Gmail app, what it does, where it runs out of road, and a faster way to handle the rest when you want real control. I'm Lauren from the Clean Email app, and here's why you should trust me. We've been helping everyday people clean their emails and keep them clean for over 10 years. We've literally processed billions of emails, and for each video, I tap into the expertise of the Clean Email team to make the best tutorials for you. Let's get into it. If your inbox is buried under newsletters and promos, Gmail now hands you one screen to review every sender you've subscribed to. Before this, your subscriptions were scattered all over the place with no real overview. Now there's a single list. So let's start there. On the web, open Gmail in your browser, open the left-hand menu, click More, then click Manage Subscriptions. You'll see your active subscriptions with each sender's name, their email address, the recent number of messages they sent, and an unsubscribe option next to each one. This list is sorted by frequency, so your noisiest senders sit at the top. You can't change that sort of order right now, so frequency is what you got. One thing to flag, not every account has this. On the web, managed subscriptions can be missing if your account's managed by a family, a parent, or a company. Before we move on to the Gmail app, here's how to get more out of this with Clean Emails Unsubscriber. It shows you all your subscriptions in one place, lets you unsubscribe from the ones you don't want, and shows you how many emails each sender has sent you. The difference is what happens after. In Gmail, once you unsubscribe, that's it. There's no pause and no easy way to undo it or see what you've cut. With Clean Email, you can pause a sender instead of cutting them off, use Keep Newest to keep only their latest emails, and find everything you've unsubscribed from in one tab. You can resubscribe anytime. When you unsubscribe, we send a removal request and future messages move to the trash while it processes. Now for the Gmail app, open it on iPhone or Android, tap the hamburger menu in the top left, scroll to the All Labels section below Trash and tap Manage Subscriptions. You'll see the same details as the web. Sender address, recent emails, and an unsubscribe option shows you an envelope with a minus sign. One heads up, Gmail's still rolling this out. It reached the web worldwide, but on mobile it's only in some countries so far, so you might not see it on your phone yet. If it's not there, or if you want to do more than unsubscribe one at a time, the Clean Email app does the same on your phone, plus bulk actions Gmail doesn't have. You can't unsubscribe in bulk or clear every subscription at once without switching back to a computer. Click the link in the description for 15% off. If Managed Subscriptions hasn't reached your account at all, you've got two ways to check Gmail subscriptions. First, search. Open Gmail, tap the search box, and type unsubscribe. That brings up every email with an unsubscribe link in the body or footer, which most marketing senders are required by law to include. The second is the promotions category. On the web, open the promotions tab. In the app, open the menu and pick promotions. You can also type category:promotions straight into the search box. Gmail already sorts most marketing and promotional mail in here on its own, so it works as a handy stand-in subscription list. A couple of things people always ask about. 1. Unsubscribing won't delete the emails you already have. Managed subscriptions stops new mail from that sender, but your old emails stay put until you clear them yourself. 2. Gmail's tools only cover the account you're signed into. Some other providers have a similar feature and some don't. So if you're juggling a few inboxes, our unsubscriber pulls subscriptions from across providers into one place. And that's how you find every subscription cluttering your Gmail and start cutting them down to size. Clear out the noisy senders, and your inbox gets quieter by the day.